2013, and we're talking today about Zpanelcp. And I've played with this before, and it looks like there's been an update, and I have a seriously underpowered Windows 7 machine here that I'd like to set up and add more memory to for a development server, and being able to have multiple web hosting right within that. And then I want to take it a step further, and I want to be able to offer in-house hosting for special projects that I do for clients. So I did some research on control panels and found Zpanelcp, which was really the simplest solution that I could find for doing what I wanted to do. Because I'm not a web server setup guy. I just don't do that in the course of general deals. I use virtualized environments most of the time, and MAMP on Macs to do in-house server hosting. So anyway, we come in here to zpanelcp.com, download, and you'll find an installer for Microsoft Windows. And this is so easy. You download 3 files. The first one is the Zpanel VCR EDI ST underscore 32 or 64 exe. And that sets up the environment for Visual Studio runtime for either 32-bit or 64-bit. And then you run the Zpanel stack on your machine. That sets up Apache and MySQL. And then you install the installer, which is the Zpanel installer, on top of the application stack. And you end up with this. Okay, so let's go ahead and here. This is my Windows 7 machine that I'm using as a server. And we'll go ahead and log in. And you're presented with the dashboard for the administrator. And you have account information here, change the password, my account, usage viewer. And there's the usage viewer for the entire server. Module admin, PHP info, system info for PHP, shadowing, updates, Zpanel configuration in general, and the news for Zpanel. You have advanced, backup, cron manager, frequently asked questions. Let's go ahead and change my view here. And hopefully this is coming through on your side. Okay. Protect directories, service status, Webalizer stats, and you select your domain, and I've already set up a f1.local. We'll go ahead and display that. And this is really quite slick. No statistics yet for that. Up a little bit more. Database management. So you have the ability to add databases, database users, direct PHP MyAdmin, domain management, DNS manager, domains, park domains, subdomains, mail. Set up mail for each domain, distribution list, etc. And it has a reseller module for client notice manager, managed clients, managed groups, package manager, theme manager, and then there's file management for FTP. Across the top you have home, FTP accounts, reseller accounts, mail again. Let's look at webmail. So it uses round cube, domains, DNS manager, domains, part domains, subs, databases again, advanced again, admin, Zpanel configuration. So let's look at databases. So I can set up a database here, and I already have one, the zadmin for F1. Let's add a new one for F2. Let's create that. Okay, and we'll add a SQL user. We'll select that database, F2, and for security reasons, I would say only from a single IP, but allow from any IP is fine for what I'm doing right here. I have 8 free databases, and I've used 2. Oh, okay, I have to create a new username for that. All right, let's do okay, so let's go ahead and hop into PHP MyAdmin. I believe I already have that saved. And there is the database for zadmin F1. And I can import my database tables now for whatever I'm doing. If I'm throwing in I'm seeing this, so that's interesting. I'll have to look at that. But so now if I've got a WordPress that I'm setting up for a client and want to do a demo, I now have the ability to throw that in here and very easily show them what's going on. Unified mode here on my... Okay, maybe not. Makes it full screen. Okay, so anyway, that's setting up Zpanelcp on a seriously under-powered machine, but it has the ability to be upgraded. And this is really cool. So, you know, some of the ideas that you could have, of course, is like me, where I want to have a development server and be able to set up multiple domains to do that and have clients look at them coming in. Or you can set up your own hosting service. Get some nice powerful rack machines and get this set up on Linux, and you'd be rolling. Get some decent pipe into your place, and within 30 minutes you can have your servers pre-configured, set up your DNSs, of course, and stuff like that, and you would definitely be in the hosting business, I think. So that's pretty neat. Let's take a look at DNS. And I can create records right here. That's pretty nice. Zpanelcp. Have a look at their website and see what you can do with it. Thanks for watching again, everybody. Have a great summer.